Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get some easy head ties look for summer. All you need is any kind of scarf, some earrings, and have your face makeup, and then you're good to go. So if you're not in the mood for any wigs or to get your hair done because it's really hot outside and you don't have time, all you need is some fancy earrings that looks really good and you're good to go. Anyway, I hope you're all having a really good summer, as I am having. Deeply appreciate it if you could share my videos, like, comment, and if you haven't already subscribed, well, please do so. Well, let's jump on into this video. So yeah, enjoy watching. Thank you very much for watching. Mwah.
Me now, awakening is clear. I could show you